pretend, but I can't fake this love again.